So the lighting sucks, but this right here is the Audi I just got. It's an A6, and I'm actually going to do a detail on the outside and inside. And it's going to be the first time that I've done a clay bar. So bear with me. If you have any pointers, if you've done clay bar before, let me know if I did anything wrong or if I can better the process. First thing I did was just hand wash it with just car soap, and then I'm going to take it inside and dry it, and then I'll pull out the clay bar. First thing I'm doing is just spraying this and hand drying the car right before I do the clay bar. And as you can see, it's got a lot of just fine scratches, that sort of stuff, which I don't think the clay bar is for that, but I am going to possibly buff it, polish it for sure. Alright guys, here we are. The car has been dried, and I believe I'm ready to start doing the clay bar. It's actually not, like, you can hear it and feel a little bit, but I feel like whoever owned this car before actually took care of the paint. It's not just bad. Compare. See that? And this is what came in the Meguiar's clay kit. It was the quick detailer spray. You got 3 clay bars and some matte microfiber.
Please turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it burn them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Check this out, guys. So I just finished doing the clay bar to the whole car, and it turned out great. I mean, it's smooth. This is the first time I've ever done clay bar, so if you saw something in the video that I might have done wrong, or I skipped a step or something like that, then please comment. Let me know, that way I can do it better next time. But this car, I mean, honestly, I feel like the last owner had already took care of it, because it really wasn't too bad as far as, you know, doing the clay bar. The hood and the front bumper and kind of the lower parts of the body were the worst, but everything else was pretty smooth. I also found out that this car right here has a clear bra on the front, so that right there, you know, just tells me that the last owner took care of it. And after clay barring, I believe you're supposed to wax it. What I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna polish it. If y'all want to see a video on how to polish a car, I'll make one. I'm open to suggestions and everything. This bar right here actually lasted the whole car. Let me know if y'all can reuse these. I know it came with 3. Even though it's recommended to only do it once a year, I would suggest twice a year, you know, if you actually enjoy your car. And this only took me about maybe an hour and 10 minutes, so it wasn't that bad. But thanks guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, feel free to like the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are about clay barring. Is there a better clay bar that I can use? This kit was $20, I think $22 at AutoZone. So I'll see y'all in the next video.